What's good, family? Today we actually got a first look at the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. I've had this box sitting in the corner over here for possibly 2 weeks. It was just way too much heat dropping for me to be able to get into it, but here we are, a week away from the release, and it's time to actually get into this box. I'm excited to see what they're looking like, honestly, because at first I didn't think this was a sneaker I wanted to pick up, but the more I thought about it, it just made sense. If y'all end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Let's see if we could get this to 150 likes. That would definitely mean a lot, as well as if you subscribe to the channel. Our goal for the year is 23,000 and we're this close. Let's see if y'all can help me reach my goal. But in here, obviously you already know what we got. The Gratitude 11s. Honestly, bro, boxes for 11s have became shit over the years and there's nothing we could do about it. 23 on the side, little breath hole, and size 10 was the size I got for them. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm excited to see what they're looking like. Okay, this is a little hefty box, I'm not gonna lie. Jordan right there. We are gonna break these down in a full review that's coming in a couple days, so I'm not gonna talk about them too much. Paper says thank you in a bunch of different languages, but open this up. Ding, we got the kicks. Okay, I'm not mad at it, I'm not gonna lie. Let me pull these out, see what they hitting for. They not bad, bro. They're not bad. Metallic Jumpman on the back, 23 in gold, milky outsole. They're actually clean, bro. I expected to like them. Obviously, it's a Concord 11 with some gold, but not bad. Let me pull the other one out the box. Jordan 11 Gratitudes have entered the building. Materials are looking crispy on this pair. I actually don't mind the gold Jumpman and that 23 on the back. I love that reflective type of vibe on it. It actually does feel like metal, so I think it will last longer than the old 2.3s. These definitely are missing that hang tag though. I don't know why they gave it to us on the DMP 6s and not on the 11s. It just made sense for them to throw the DMP badge on there. At the end of the day, I do think it's a solid sneaker. They actually added leather to the sneaker right here where the mesh used to be, switched the outsole to like this yellowish milky color. Personally, I don't mind the changes. I think it's a pretty solid sneaker. I'm gonna pull out the Concords in a little bit, and in the on foot video I'm gonna compare them detail by detail. I just don't understand what's going on with this pair right here. They're going for under retail before the official release. Somebody let me know what's going on in the comments. I understand there's a bunch of pairs for these, same shit every year. So the Cherries had over 1 million pairs, Cool Grays did the same, Breads did the same, and none of them went for under retail at any given moment. I don't understand what's going on with these Gratitude DMPs. I really don't understand it. The sneaker game is crazy right now. We've never seen a Jordan 11 go for under retail before the release. It actually is catching me off guard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, bro. Like, I really don't know what's going on. I'm not gonna lie to you. Quality's on point. Insoles looking fire. I do wish they would still give us that plastic shoe tree. They haven't done that in a little while at this point. Here we got the Concord and DMP side by side. Concords have that black Jumpman, 45 on the back in white. DMPs have the gold Jumpman, gold 23. The outsole is a little bit different on these pairs. Concord's having that purple pod with the clear outsole. Icy, of course. Through time, they're turning yellow. On the DMPs, they skipped that whole process and just gave us that milky-ish white outsole that we saw on the 7210s. Pretty similar sneakers. Purple on the Concord, yellow on the DMPs. I'm gonna break it down a little bit more in detail for the review. Pretty much the same shit, bro. These sold out. They're actually doing good still, and these DMPs, bruh, are low-key flopping before the release. I would be shocked to see these on shelves. People used to fight over Jordan 11s back in the day, so it's just a different game that we're playing these days. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna go for the DMPs on release, or are you gonna be skipping on them. Retail is $230, which is insane. We're not getting any plastic shoe trees. We're not getting the hang tag on the DMPs, and they're charging more. Like, bro, what are y'all doing? I must say though, tumbleness is crazy on this leather. Look at this shit. OD tumbled, bro. Lately, I low-key been becoming a collector for real, for real. This is some shit that only collectors do. Pick up the same sneaker twice for no freaking reason. I did it with the Royals reimagined, and now I did it with the DMPs. It's a clean sneaker, bro. What can I say? I just wanted to do a quick first look at the Jordan 11 DMPs. Expect a detailed on-foot review dropping within the next couple videos. At this point, I would dare say that these are gonna sit on shelves come release. I don't know if it has to do with how many releases we're getting, because holiday 11s never, I repeat, never go for this low. I know I sound like a broken record, bro, but I'm genuinely shocked. Like, I don't understand what's happening. Beautiful shoe nonetheless. These come out next Saturday, so if you are gonna be picking these up, let me know in the comments. At this point, are you gonna wait and see if these go on sale? Pick them up after market, because they might dip below retail even further. I'm still glad I have these in the collection. I don't know if I'll end up keeping them for the long run, simply because I do have Concords. I have the whole set at this point, so might as well keep these. I'm waiting for the Gammas, Columbias, then we'll be straight. Let me know in the comments what's the next Jordan 11 you want to release. For me, it's the Gammas. I love those, and I regret not going for them when they initially released. I was more so on some shit like I want all the OG colorways, and now that I have all the OGs, I really wish I would have stuck with the Gammas as well. These 11s are solid though. People need to stop sleeping, or matter of fact, keep sleeping so people can buy what they want. People used to hate the fact that everything was selling out, and now that everything's sitting, people still hating on it. I just don't understand, bro. Buy what you like at a better price. It's the best way to do it, bro. Save yourself some money picking up the stuff that you like without having to pay resell. Full review is coming ASAP. Make sure y'all leave a like on this video. If we could get this to 100 likes, I might be inclined to drop that early review tomorrow. Also, subscribe to the channel. Help me reach my goal of 23,000 before the year is over. Y'all are the only ones that can help me reach my goal. We could low-key hit Jordan's number by the end of the year. I know we could do it. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And I'm gonna catch you in one of these two videos. That's what YouTubers recommend you to watch based on your previous history. Don't let me down now. I'm gonna catch y'all there. What the fuck? Peace.